Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the Sony MDR-XB510AS. Now these are sports earphone. So basically, a lot of people have been asking me regarding sports earphone, which is good for the gym. Then they're asking, some people are asking me regarding earphones which are waterproof or water resistant, and other people are asking me regarding earphones which have extra bass. So I've made a lot of videos on these kind of earphones, but then I found something which is a combination of all of them. So this is an earphone which is made for sports. So this is a sports earphone with extra bass and splash proof and washable, with an IP rating of IPX5/7. So excellent option. So since it's from Sony, so we can believe that this will give you good sound. So we'll be testing it. We'll use it in the gym. I'll be taking it to the swimming pool, the steam room, and all these tests will be done. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First, let's see the price. So the MRP on this is 2,790. On sale, you can get it as low as 1,300 or so. So it's got a lot of different things. So let me just show you. It's got tangle-free serrated cable. Comes with a carrying pouch, clip, cable adjuster. I don't know what that is. We'll open it and see. Cable slider, good. And then you have your regular silicone. Okay, this has hybrid silicone rubber earbud. So we'll see what that is. And it comes with a remote, single button remote, which is used for play, pause, answer, and call end. So it doesn't come with a volume control. That you'll have to control with your phone itself. So let's open it up. Oh, it does come with 1 year warranty also. Normally accessories, you'll get 6 months warranty. This comes with 1 year's warranty. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the earphone itself. So I've taken out the wings, I've taken out the earbud, so you can see what are the sizes. So basically you get SS. So that's what is written on the booklet. Basically it says SS, so you can call it maybe super small. But you got normally this is called as XS, so extra small. So extra small, small, medium, large. So you have all 4 tips. You have 3 separate ear wings. So you in this you do not have super small or extra small. You have small, medium, and large. So you get a clip. In case you want to clip it onto your shirt or t-shirt, you can use this. And then you get a wire adjuster or wire length adjuster. So basically what this does is, according to what size you want the wire to be, you can wrap it around this and then make it short. So this is very nice. I really thought it's going to be gimmicky, but then I used it and I really liked this feature, because now I can adjust the wire according to the according to what I'm wearing. So if I'm wearing a jeans, I use it differently. If I wear formal pants, I use it differently. Or if I wear cargo shorts where the pockets are very low, I use it differently. So accordingly, I change the length on it. So it really comes in handy. I never thought that I'll be using this that much. I just used it for around maybe 7 hours or so, and I really liked this feature. So excellent options available, customization option available. So a lot of people have this is one more tip that I'll give you. A lot of people have different size ear canals. Now a lot of them don't even realize it, because if you are using the same ear sizes, like if you're using small ones, and then you realize that only your right one is fit but the left one keeps coming out, try a bigger size on the left one, then it'll fit better. So it's normal. A lot of people have different size ear canals, so just keep that in mind. So keeping that in mind, I really like the customization option. Now you can have different size earbuds and the ear fins. So it doesn't matter whether you have small ears, big ears, whatever, you can choose and customize it accordingly. Okay, so let's take a look at the physical attributes of the earphone itself. So let's start with the earphone itself. Now this is completely made of plastic and it's pretty sturdy. Now this is unusually long for regular earphones. So if you look at other earphones, most of the sizes are just like almost this much. This is almost 3 times longer. Now that's because since it's waterproof, there is no holes where, if you look at it carefully, you'll not see any holes where the air can go out from. So that hole is made for the bass or the sound to resonate. Now, since it does not have that option because it's waterproof, so it has a bigger chamber so that it can create that bass and have enough space for the speaker to vibrate properly. So that's why this is there. I'll be testing it in loud sound scenarios and all these things later on to see how much will this withstand. But it's pretty good. I've used it for 7 hours and the sound is pretty good. Now one more thing, let me just clear the doubt for a lot of people. Now this says extra bass. It's not the mega bass series. So Sony has mega bass, Sony has extra bass. Mega bass has more bass, extra bass just means a little more bass than usual. So if you use their regular earphones which doesn't have bass, this has a little more bass than that. So in case you're trying to compare it with the bass head series or the Sony mega bass series, this will not have that much of bass. So just keep that in mind, because that's a big misconception that a lot of people have. They just see bass and they think that there's a lot of bass. So it doesn't have a lot of bass. The sound is clear. I've already used it for 7 hours, so I know the sound. The sound is clear. The bass is little above average, so it's pleasant. You can use it in the gym. It gets really loud, so in the gym it will be excellent. I'll be using it today to know how good it's going to perform in the gym. So whether it will fall off or not, all that we'll be looking at later on. Okay, let's continue with the physical attributes. So earphone, excellent. Plastic body but very sturdy, doesn't move from anywhere, no creaks, no nothing. The wire has, let me just do a close-up. So you see those lines there, so it gives you a good grip, so you know that where the wire is when you're holding it. It actually allows your hand to glide on it, so I really like that feel. So when it's wet, it's not too sticky. Yes, one more thing before I forget, these earbuds and the fins, they do attract a lot of dust and they do get a little sticky, so you will end up washing them a lot of times. So since this is waterproof, no problem. So the wire is long enough. Now one good thing about this is that the wire is so long that doesn't matter what your height is, this is going to fit you. This is going to allow you to use the earphone comfortably. So this is going to be good for you because of the wire length adjustment that they've given. So all in all, excellent. The mic is also covered. It's not a coating or a layer or anything, it's actually covered. So it's completely covered by this casing. So the water, the sound, everything goes in from here, and the mic is actually on the other side. So I'll be testing it for the mic sound quality to show you how that's going to be. The mic sound is going to be different, but because of this, I think it should do good in wind scenarios, because the mic is not directly facing the wind. So I'll be testing that to see how it's going to be. This can be submerged into the water, and then you just have to shake it like this a little bit and then just remove the water. Okay, so let's take a look at the IP rating for this. So this has an IP rating of IPX5 and IPX7. So this can withstand like a simple water spray. So not something which is pressurized, just regular water spray which falls on it, nothing will happen. You can submerge it. Let me just show you that also. You can submerge it underwater. Okay, so you can submerge it underwater for a depth of 1 meter till 30 minutes. So 1 meter, 30 minutes, nothing will happen. So you can use it in a swimming pool, but it's not advisable because swimming pool has chemicals in it. So that may cause the waterproofness to go away. The recommendation for this is regular water, like your like if you're going in a river and stuff, it's fine. Sea water is a big no-no. And any aerated drinks or any coffee, tea with heat or with extreme cold, or those things should be avoided. So excellent. L-shaped 3.5 mm pin with gold tip, so the connectivity would be good. I've already used it for 7 hours, so I really can't comment much right now because I haven't used it for a week. So I generally do my reviews after a week, at least a week. So all in all, excellent earphone. Good customization option. Good sound stage, not for bass heads. It doesn't have extra bass. It doesn't have mega bass. It's got extra bass, regular bass, little more than regular bass, but not a bass head earphone. Very loud. So in case you want a earphone which is very loud in the gym, this is a good earphone for you. Downside though is because it's this long, you cannot use it under your helmet. You cannot use it while you're sleeping or lying down because this is going to pain your ears. So other than that, excellent earphone. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.